Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Dami. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this gorgeous hair. It's super simple to make. If you don't know how to do cornrows to save your life, you don't know how to braid hair to save your life, this hairstyle is for you. It's super easy to do and it comes together in a snap. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair. I'm putting it into 4 sections and then I'm going to add some water and I'll start detangling. I'm just combing it out from the tips and working my way up to the roots. I'll be using this Lulu Threads crochet hair. I'll be using 3 packs of this. Now I'm sectioning my hair into 2. This is gonna be for the front portion. I'm not bothered about making clean lines because I'm still going to put some crochet on it and then my parts are not going to show. So I just wanted to look good, but I'm not bothered about it looking too funny. Now I'm going to start parting my hair. I'll be using my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Gel. You can use any gel you have. This is just to make sure that my hair slicks down. I'll be adding just a little bit. And then I'll start rolling the hair. Now I'm going to put some rubber bands at the tip so that the hair doesn't unravel. So for the second one, I'm just repeating this process, adding some gel and now I'm zooming in so you can have a closer look. I'm just rolling the hair on itself. And then I'm going to secure it with some rubber bands. So I'm just repeating the process again. Add some hair gel. And then start rolling it on itself. So I'm going to do this throughout the front of my head, and then we'll put the crochet braids at the back. So now I'm done with the front. I'm just putting all of my hair into a bun. And then I'm going to keep on putting some elastic bands until it gets to the tip of my hair. This is just to mimic a braid where I'm going to put in the crochet hair. Now for the tip, I don't have a tiny elastic band to use for this, so I'm just braiding just the tip. Now I'm going to secure this on my head using some bobby pins. So because the hair I'm going to be using is curly and it's going to end up looking very full, that's why I can get away with doing something as bulky as this under. If I was going to be using straight hair, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So this bulky thing I have underneath, this bulky thing I have going on is not going to show by the time I put in my crochet hair. So now I'm just going to start looping the crochet hair through my own hair, and then I'm going to secure it. So now for the front, I'm just making sure I cover all the gaps and just to make the hair look full. Now I'm adding some gold clips to the front of my hair just to make that place pop a little bit. Now I'll be adding some moisturizer to make my curls pop. And this is how it looks. Look at the back. You can't see the bulky thing we did on that because this hair is full. The hair is so lightweight and it still looks full. So now I'm just adding some edge control to the front of my hair. And this is how it looks. This hairstyle is super simple to make, as you can see. I hope you get to try this out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also leave a comment in the comment section below on what kind of hairstyles you would like to see. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!